Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious trout over a campfire. First, ensure your trout is completely cleaned and gutted, removing all scales and internal organs. Next, gather your essential cooking tools, including a sturdy cooking grate, a pair of tongs, and some heavy-duty aluminum foil. Finally, prepare your campfire, letting it burn down until you have a consistent bed of glowing, hot coals, which is ideal for even cooking. Now that your trout is clean, it's time to add some flavor. Season the fish generously, both inside and out, with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs like thyme or rosemary. For an extra burst of freshness, tuck a few thin lemon slices and some fresh dill or parsley into the fish's cavity. Then, carefully wrap each trout in 2 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil, ensuring a tight seal. With your trout seasoned and wrapped, it's time to cook. Carefully place the foil-wrapped fish directly onto a cooking grate, positioning it over your bed of hot, glowing coals. Cook each side for about 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting the time based on the thickness of your trout. You'll know it's perfectly done when the flesh turns completely opaque and flakes effortlessly when gently tested with a fork. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot foil packets from the campfire using your tongs. It's important to let the wrapped trout rest for about 5 minutes before unwrapping. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful meal. Finally, unwrap your perfectly cooked campfire trout and serve it immediately. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice makes a wonderful finishing touch to this rustic and delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.